Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy stock on Webull app. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Webull desktop experience so you can quickly move from the home screen to the buy ticket with confidence. We'll keep things straightforward and focus on clarity. If you already have your account set up and you're signed in, you're ready to follow along. Start by opening the Webull desktop app or the desktop platform in your browser. Give it a moment to load the workspace. You'll see a clean layout with a main area in the center and a vertical toolbar running along the left side. This left toolbar is your primary navigation hub and the quickest way to reach key market pages. Look to that left toolbar and find the option labeled Stocks. Depending on your layout, you may see it as a word, an icon, or both. If the toolbar is collapsed, hover your mouse to reveal labels. This section is where Webull groups market data, lists, and individual stock pages, so it's the best starting point for finding what you want to trade. Click on Stocks. The main panel will switch to the Stocks area, showing market movers, your watch lists if you've set them up, and tools to drill into individual companies. Take a quick moment to orient yourself. Notice the search field near the top and any lists or tiles that show popular or trending names. This helps you move quickly whether you know exactly what you want or you're still exploring. Next, search or select a sample stock to buy. If you know the company or ticker symbol, type it into the search bar and choose it from the results. If you're browsing, pick a stock from a list you recognize. When the stock page opens, confirm you're on the correct listing by checking the full company name and ticker. Review the current price, day change, and basic details so you understand what you're looking at. You can glance at the chart to see recent movement, and if helpful, scan the news and summary sections. A helpful tip: symbols can look similar, so double check before proceeding. When you're ready, click on Buy. You'll usually find the Buy button near the quote or in the trading panel on the right. Clicking Buy opens the order ticket for that stock. Here you can review the key fields you'll use when you eventually place an order, such as quantity and price type, and you can see how much buying power you have available. Take your time to review the details on this screen so you feel comfortable with what comes next. That's it. Open Webull, go to Stocks, choose your stock, and click Buy to bring up the ticket. You're now in position to complete your trade when you're ready.